Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2021 Toyota 4Runner, we're gonna be changing the rear differential fluid. Let's get started. On the back differential, we have our fill plug and our drain plug. They're both 24 millimeter. Let's crack our fill plug first. Not too bad. Now we know that can come off. We'll leave it in for now. We'll do our drain plug. There we go. And that can come off. Get our catch pan. Take the fill out the rest of the way. Now a little bit of fluid may come out, so just be ready for it. It won't be a lot if any does come out. There we go, none came out on me. We'll pull our drain. A lot will gush out, about 3 quarts worth. We'll just let that drain. In the meantime, on our drain plug, it has a magnetic tip. We'll just take a rag, wipe that off. We're just looking for big chunks. A little bit of fuzz, that's perfectly normal. Just looking out for the chunks. We'll just wipe this off, get it all nice and clean. All right, we're down to a drip. We'll throw on a new washer. Put this on. One thing I forgot to mention, if you have a lot of dirt buildup around your drain plug or your fill plug, we'll wipe that off and get as much dirt around it off as we can before taking it out. Snug this up. This is torqued to 36 foot-pounds. Wipe it down. Let me show you my fill setup. We'll be using the Red Line brand, and the recommended viscosity is 75-85. Now this is a hypoid gear oil, which means it's suitable for either non-limited slip or limited slip. So it doesn't really matter which differential you have, this will work for both, without the need of additional friction modifiers. And then I just have a fluid pump going into the bottle, and that's it. Let's crawl back under and pump away. Just feed the hose in. You want your vehicle on a relatively level surface, and it'll take roughly 3 quarts, maybe a little less. We're just gonna pump until we get fluid dribbling out of the back. And I'm on bottle number 3. Don't worry about all of this. I got a little wild with one of my bottles. We'll just keep pumping until we get a steady stream. All right, starting to come out. We'll get a new washer, thread this in. Wipe all this down. And this is also 36 foot-pounds. All right, that's it, good job. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. See you on the next one.